Okay, so back here in the back of the skid plate, there are two 15 millimeter nuts on either side. As you probably watched, I was just sitting there spinning it, and it was not coming undone. So let's go ahead and try this again. Do it the right way. Should research that a little bit better. That's okay. So let me get positioned here. I can actually do something. Okay. Let's move back up to the front. Bring you guys with me. Okay. So now, those for some more weight. A little tight under there. Okay. Grab all of our tools we need. Skid plate does feel like it has a little bit of weight to it. I think that one's loose. Go ahead and finish up these guys. now. Looks like we might have to take all the bolts out. Lend some support here. Almost completely out. Regretting life decisions right now. Another bolt. That one. Okay, now. There we go. Okay, not super complicated, but definitely I would recommend using a floor jack rather than your leg supporting everything. So, got the skid plate out. Let's go ahead and back this out a little bit. Again, like I said, it wasn't too terribly hard. The plate's not that heavy, just cumbersome. All these guys out of the way. Tools out of the way. Let's see. All right. So, this is our skid plate, obviously. So, a broken little piece of plastic. Now, what I'm looking at is these rub points against the frame here. My suspicion is that's what's making that creaking god-awful sound. That's driving me absolutely nuts. This one looks like it was a captured bolt of some sort. So what we'll do, we're going to clean this up real nice and go ahead and put some foam on there, and hopefully that will stop making so much god-awful noise.